21 Day Website is a unique workshop combining the ease and flexibility of a self-study course using 15-minute exercises and then live hands-on support, encouragement, accountability, and instruction in the 60-minute live webinars. Hi, my name is Marianne Majeff, and I'm the creator of 21 Day Website. I want to take a few moments to give you an overview of the course to help you decide if this is the path for you. This middle path solution will empower you to create your 5-page website reflecting your unique, authentic values and perspective, while at the same time giving you a huge boost of confidence as you begin to conquer this new skill. Let's get started with day one. Day one, and the first week is all about getting everything together, getting everything ready to drop into your site in week 2 and 3. We begin with a 60-minute webinar. You may listen in on the telephone or watch and listen on your computer screen. The choice is yours. If you have a webcam and would like to be live with us, then you can also have the option to do that. I'll always be live via my webcam for each of the 6 live sessions. In the first webinar on day 1, you will introduce yourself. This is a great opportunity to expand your community and make new friends and meet new people, not just a class. Share your expectations for the 21 days. Commit in front of the group to taking this and making this a priority. Great accountability in this class. And explore what kind of site you want to build. Decide on your domain name because homework is going to be buying that domain name. Day 2, you have a 15-minute exercise, and as I just mentioned, you're going to be buying that domain name. And I have a little video, a step-by-step video to help you do that. On day 3, there is a live webinar, and that's the second one. And all the webinars are recorded for you to reference at any time. Now, this webinar is all about getting all your ducks in line, and you can use the checklist in the workbook as we go along to see what pieces are missing. Some of the things we will review are the names of all your pages, what content is going on each page, what copy or articles you're missing, and reviewing navigation on your site. I know that you're all chomping at the bit to start building, but trust me, these first steps will make it easier and much more fun when we start building the site, so stay with me here. After this webinar, you have 4 15-minute sessions. On day 4, you will define your top 3 core values to honor as you build your site. Day 5, give yourself an A, and a great exercise to give you new perspective on writing your bio. Day 6, we're going to be using magazines to help you really refine and speak to your target market. And on day 7, you're going to type up all your copy and your bio and save it along with pictures in one file. Then on day 8, now it's time for webinar number 3. And that's all about Welcome to Website Tonight. That's the GoDaddy software that you'll be using to build your site. In this webinar, you will sign up for Website Tonight, pick out one of the 1,500 templates, create 5 pages, and set up navigation between the 5 pages. Now, I know some of you might be cringing at the word template, but the GoDaddy templates are incredibly flexible. You can change the graphics, the color, the content, the layout, as well as adding blocks, video, audio, tables, and your own HTML. It's really the sky's your limit. The templates are really the powerhouse behind the middle path. Check out my 2 sites, www.motivatemyself.com and www.21daywebsite.com. Both of them were built on Website Tonight. You can also check out www.zaxcafe.com for another example of a Website Tonight site. Think of the templates as the foundation. They free you up to design and build and mean that you do not need to know HTML to build or change your site. Another great bonus of templates is that with just a couple of clicks, you can change yours at any time. Imagine you change your brand and your new brand is yellow. It's all about yellow. Maybe it's a canary. How great would it be to log into your website, click a couple of buttons, and then click one-click publishing, and your site is live? Much easier than the other option, getting your designer on the phone, writing out another check, and waiting for them to make the changes. You can make changes anytime you want. Trust me, templates, they're a beautiful thing. Moving on, day 9 is another 15-minute session, and this is a great opportunity for you to play in the sandbox of your new site and gather some questions ready for the next webinar. You can change your template and get used to logging in and out of Website Tonight. Then on day 10, we have webinar number 4, and today we're going to focus on adding text and working with the layout and blocks within your site. After that, you have 4 more 15-minute sessions to add all your text ready for photos in our next webinar. Day 11, we'll check out some resources for content on your site. Day 12, we'll add content to your homepage and page 1 of your site. Day 13, add content to pages 2 and 3. And on day 14, add content to page 14 and tie up any loose ends of content that need to be added. Day 15, we're moving on to webinar number 5. This webinar is all about uploading and adding photos and logos, which can add a lot of credibility to your site. Day 16 is a 15-minute session, time for you to upload all your photos and logos to Website Tonight and pop it into your pages. And then on day 17, we have webinar number 6. Here you'll learn how to add links and PDFs to your site. PDFs are a great way to easily add content that your visitors can download or print. It's a really great way of adding value to your site. Day 18 and 19 in your 15-minute blasts, you'll add links to PDFs to your site. And then on day 20 in your 15-minute session, you will set up your free email account and learn what a catch-all account is and how to utilize it. Day 21 is all about one-click publishing. Yes, I said one-click publishing. And then you can enjoy your brand new authentic virtual footprint that you created. I know that you can do this. I know that you can take 21 days, make this a priority, do the 15-minute exercises, and join us on the 60-minute live sessions. And in 21 days, you'll have a 5-page authentic website that you created. Now, I did some research and I looked on the web, and the most reasonable price I could find for a website was $500 to $700, and that was a really limited capacity. Now, I also noticed that if you want to add pages, that was a 5-page website, it was $99 a page. Now, I'm not suggesting that you make a website the size of mine, but my website's 80 pages long. I'd be needing to take out a loan just to be able to add that many pages. You have the capability and you've already paid. You don't have to pay any extra. You can add as many pages as you want with 21-day website. So take a moment, think it through, and then click, because this is limited spacing and there are only 10 participants in each workshop. 21 days from now, you could stop talking and start enjoying your brand new website.